Alright, here's the plan. I've got this Harbor Freight bandsaw that I bought. It's probably been sitting here. It's been underneath that tarp over there probably for 5 years, and I have to pick it up with that bucket and put a strap around it to move it. These wheels are not worth a crap, but maybe decent if you had it in a carport or had it set up somewhere. But I mean, this is not ideal for moving around. Anyway, this is what I'm gonna try here. And I've cut this pretty much to that angle. I haven't screwed it in yet, but I'm gonna take these off and run sheet metal screws, around over there, and then I'm gonna drill a hole and run this through it and put a couple of washers, since that's at an angle. But I'm gonna either cut a sleeve or something to keep the wheel off. And I've cut one over there, but I'm going to put a second one here on top. That one needs to be trimmed a little bit more, but I want the wheels up about like that. So I'm going to put this one up here and drill through that too anyway, so we'll keep you posted. I just lagged that in, but you can see I had to have a spacer right there. And I've got 5-inch lags here, and I came up 2 5/8, so the wheel's about a 1/2 inch off the bottom here. And then well, after doing this, I cut my washers a little smaller, and I was going to put 4 wheels on this, but I think I'm just going to put 2. I cut that where it just clears, and then that's a 5-inch lag bolt in there. Alright, just to recap on this, I had 4 wheels I was going to put on there, but after doing it, I'm just going to do the 2. That's plenty adequate, just replacing the little junk that comes with them, and it's all the weights on that end, and it's got a handle for that. But over here I don't have any concrete, and we just had about 10 inches of rain, so this thing's been sitting here. I couldn't even move it, and those are like $6.99 at Harbor Freight. I just put 4 of these on a generator, but I welded up an axle. I'm gonna probably put a little video of that up, because now this will be fine. I just wanted something I can put it on a trailer and take it home, and so that's plenty good. And again, I just I've got a good piece of yellow pine and put sheet metal screws all in it. These are pretty decent saws, but moving them around, again, I see where they've upgraded the wheels, but that's what's on this one. And you can see that isn't moving over here. And plus this part is so flimsy, but it comes with the little corner things, but when you put the 2x4s and run like 1.5-inch self-drilling sheet metal screws in it, it beefs this whole thing up good. Alrighty.